Welcome to SPE 585, Early Childhood Special Education. My name is Carrie Humberg, and I'm going to be your instructor over the next 8 weeks for this course. I am a CMU graduate myself, and I am pleased to be able to facilitate, instruct, and lead you throughout this course section on Early Childhood Special Education. I received my BS in Child Development, my ZA endorsement. I also received my Master's in Educational Technology from CMU. Currently, I am the Early On Center for Higher Education Coordinator, which is Michigan's pre-service initiative to support the development of highly qualified early interprofessionals to work with infants and toddlers birth to 3 with disabilities and or special needs and their families. So I help faculty be able to prepare their students, just like you, just like me, for this next 8 weeks to get you ready to work with early intervention, early childhood special education for the state of Michigan. So I'm excited to be able to bring to you all the information and topics in this course over the next 8 weeks. You should have the ebook or the hard copy book of the Exceptional Child 8th edition with you that will help guide your learning throughout this course. This course is designed to provide critical information for promoting an inclusive early childhood experience. So we're going to learn about the overview of IDEA's 13 disability categories, as well as early intervention in public policy, likenesses and differences among children, planning on inclusion, and implementing inclusive early childhood programs. So what we're going to do is set up each week, running Monday through Sunday for the next 8 weeks. You're going to be able to review a few chapters per week in this course. You're going to have the ability to use guided notes while listening to the narrated PowerPoint lectures. Now, the PowerPoint lectures are previously recorded from another professor that teaches this course as well, and we're able to use the one PowerPoint recorded material throughout the course, so you will be hearing his voice and not my voice for the recorded PowerPoint lectures. You're also going to be using the watching assigned videos each week or any other supplementary materials within the course materials list listed in here in Blackboard, and we'll get to Blackboard here in a minute. You're going to be able to complete weekly reading quizzes. You're going to work on assignments such as the choice assignment and the evidence-based practice project. If you are a graduate student, please contact me. You'll be doing part 2 of the evidence-based practice project. So let's get started. Looking at Blackboard, you're going to see announcements. Now, announcements is going to be key. This is where I'm going to be putting all the highlights every week emailed right to your email. So make sure that you're every week looking at your announcements to stay up to date with what's going on. Looking in course introduction, you'll just get an overview of what we have going on laid out in this course. Syllabus and schedule and evaluation. You will be able to click the syllabus, which I have here. Please print out, look through, read over, organize your planners to see when due dates are, what expectations are, how to get a hold of me. Email is key. So please email me anything. So being able to talk virtually through email and letting me know what you need or what your questions are is key to this course. And you'll be able to see the course outline. Again, I would suggest putting this in your planner to see what is going on. And it does have the information for discussion board rubric and instructions and when you're to post and reply. So here's all the criteria for evaluation. And you'll see your points, which all will line up in your My Grades. So right now we have course materials. So if you go into course materials, you'll see week 0 through week 8. And every folder will have all the necessary materials in there for your learning. So there's 0 to 8. So you should all have been in week 0 and posting by Wednesday of this week your intros into Blackboard discussion board. So if you click on week 1 for this week, you'll see what is in this folder. You will see the learning objectives for this week, your required tasks, what you're going to be planning on getting done. Feel free to print out the weekly terms. So right here you'll see week 1 key terms. Right here you'll see guided notes. You click on here and you'll get right into guided notes to print off for each chapter, 1, 2, and 3 for this week. Computer is slow. Going back into week 1. And here you will click on the chapter lectures. That's where all of the narrated lectures are. Quiz 1 you'll click on there, which that quiz for 20 points, and you'll be able to take this multiple times, multiple attempts, and just to remember, it will take an average of every attempt that you do. So make sure you have a better grade starting off when you're taking multiple attempts with your quizzes. And all the other supplement materials. So each week is set up that way. You'll be posting on discussion board twice a week, and I see here we already have lots of our intros posted. So here is for week 1 for discussion board, and right here it gives you little information to respond to the prompts at least 2 times throughout the week. So it is expected that the initial response will be posted by Wednesday. So again, in 2 days, you'll be posting your response to the questions in each week. And then to have your second response by Friday. So I would plan on Wednesday to answer the questions, and then on Friday to collaborate or talk with or reply to your peers and their questions or their answers and responses. So you'll see right here for week 1, question that says, an inclusive classroom, who is ultimately responsible for teaching the students receiving special education services? Please explain. You would answer that, as well as answering number 2, are there times when pull-out instruction should still occur, or should inclusion be the sole model? Please explain. So by Wednesday at midnight, you will respond to both those questions, and then on Friday, you will check back in and reply to your classmates. So that is how weeks 1 through 7 are designed. Again, there'll be different questions posed. So just remember Wednesday and Friday. And you will lose points for every day late on posting with your discussion. Remember, class runs from Monday through Sunday. So if you post after Sunday, you will get 0 points. But I suggest Wednesday and Friday. So that is discussion board. We have our assignments folder, and within our assignments folder you will see the 2 assignments, which is choice assignment and evidence-based practice. And here you'll click in to get all the information, and the rubrics are both listed and attached to My Grades, which are over here in the left-hand column of Blackboard. And during, choice assignment we do on week 3, and evidence-based practice we do week 5. So I will give you some more instruction leading up to those weeks, but feel free to click in there, look around, and see how to gear yourself up to complete those projects. And then next over here on our tab, we have evidence-based practices resources. So this is where you'll find all of the information on the EBP resource project area. You're going to have the how as well as the what and how to do. So I would suggest looking through, checking out what is evidence-based practices to begin with, some articles to read to look at. Here's the different strategies you can think of related to evidence-based practices, resources here. You can click on that for the clickable links. Just kind of get you all organized and set up for that assignment. And then over here in the tab for SPE 585 resources, you're just going to find other national resources that will help you out in this course for your viewing to extend your learning. We also have quizzes and exams tab over here to click on. There we go. So weeks 1 through 7, you're going to have a weekly exam. And then on week 8, you're going to have a final exam, and that's where you're going to click on to do those. Okay. So everything's set up right here in the left-hand column of Blackboard. Again, finding all the pertinent information for my communication to you guys all throughout this course will be in announcements. I will post on Monday of each week, getting this ready for the week. Please feel free to email me. I'm available and look forward to hearing your questions and to collaborate with you and to help strengthen your learning at CMU. I am very excited to be teaching at CMU. Again, that is my alma mater, and I enjoy the culture and the area of Mount Pleasant, so I am excited to be able to bring back that for all of you undergraduate students and graduate students as well. I work remotely for this class, and I do live in North Carolina, and I'm excited to be able to bring this into your living room. So again, please feel free to contact me through email. Communication is key, and there is no wrong question or silly questions. So feel free to email me. But again, look at the syllabus here. Will really answer a lot of the questions for you. It will show you all the class outline, the expectations, when assignments are due, it will talk about your expectations, my expectations, the grading scale. So this really is your all for this. Late assignments submitted past the due date will be deducted 10% of points earned per day late. So again, being on time is key. So get organized, plan ahead, work ahead, so that you're able to have a cushion of time to get everything done. Again, I know life comes up and things happen, but try and be organized and to get all your things done. And again, email me if something does arise so that we can work something out together. Again, welcome to SPE 585. I'm Carrie Holmberg, and I'll be leading this course for you and look forward to connecting with you throughout this course. Thanks. Have a great first week. Go Chips.